Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Tonight's episode is 400 Daily Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, step by step. This is going to be really basic, guys. I'm going to just quickly show you exactly what to do, show you where to go and get a link to promote. And it's going to be super, super easy. All right. So the first thing if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so that you get the bell that tells you when we put up a video. Now, one thing I want to say is there's a big thing you're going to have to do when you start out affiliate marketing, and that is get out of your own way. So many people get so caught up in doing this and doing that and doing this and doing that that they don't actually put out any content and they don't drive any traffic. And then they go, man, I've been working on this for weeks, but they haven't actually put anything out there. They haven't actually talked to anybody, or they haven't put an offer out there, right? Or they haven't sent any traffic to it. All they've been doing is kind of sitting up here, and it's all this stuff is going on up here. They're watching a video. Oh, I gotta watch one more video. Oh, I gotta watch one more video. Oh, I'm tired. I'm gonna take a rest, or I'm gonna watch some TV, or I gotta feed my kids, or I gotta eat and I gotta sleep, and then I'm gonna watch another video. I'm gonna go to sleep watching a video, but they don't do anything. So, guys, you need to start doing the actual work, because it is work to get started. Now, the cool thing is that you can work really hard for the next 3, 6, 9 months, maybe a year, and it will pay off for years and years and years to come, because you're going to create multiple streams of revenue that are passive income. They're little money making machines all over the internet. Like right now, guys, it's crazy. I get leads, I get people signing up for programs that I'm not even remotely promoting, but it's because I promoted them so much in the past that there's just people sign up to the links, and then I reach out to them like, hey, it's cool, you signed up for my link. How can I help you get started in it? Are you doing this? I've got multiple streams of income that come in, guys. So as you build your affiliate marketing, remember, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is not going and getting one thing and going and promoting that. It's not. It's promoting multiple things. You're an affiliate marketer. The thing is, you're a hub to refer out different products, right? And that's why the first place you're going to go to is you're going to pop over to ClickBank, and I'm going to show you on my screen where to go for that. Let me just jump on here. ClickBank. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, guys, is go get a. Here, let me show you my screen. So you're gonna go get an account here. If you don't have one, if you already have one, you want to go into the affiliate marketplace and just go look for something to promote, guys. There's so many things to promote on here. There's hundreds and there's actually thousands of products on here to promote, and you just have to decide what are you going to promote, and then you need to build basically a little real estate site around that. Don't just go take your link and spam it. That's not how you're going to make money. You're just going to be frustrated, and you're just going to go, whoa, it didn't work. I went on this one forum and I posted my link and no one signed up and I didn't make any money and this sucks. Doesn't work that way. Go find a product, right? Like we can go into anything, betting systems, right? So what are the betting systems? So what are you gonna do? Go get. I'll put a. Go get, guys. First thing as well, you need hosting. You need to be able to build microsites or mini sites or have landing pages. You need some sort of hosting. And what I recommend is having a sort of a generic domain, like your name, like Glenn Murray Online, or work with Glenn Murray, or maybe you go under a business, like you're the whatever. I'm FNA Network. I have FNA Network, which I've done for years. Now, what's cool when you have your own hosting, you can make as many subdomains as you want. Like I have reviews.fnanetwork.ca. You can do different things with it, right? You can use subdomains to point to stuff like bestweightloss.fnanetwork.ca. I could point that to a weight loss program, right? Or I could point it to a landing page, or I could build a weight loss site to it. It doesn't matter, right? Because it's all about subdomains. So what you want to do is you want to go and you want to find something that you're interested in, and check out, like, this one has an affiliate page, and we want to check out what's on the affiliate page, see how much information they give you, because a lot of these sites will give you stuff for ad copy. It'll give you stuff on how to promote it. Like this one's great, right? It's got giveaway tools, it's got email swipes, it's got widgets. Like, guys, this is awesome. So this one you could do a ton. Like, it's got all these promos. So you could go, and here you go, create your own winning system, the Z code system, right? I'm not promoting this, guys. Go hog wild. So what I would do is I would go make a landing page with some of this information, right? And then I would basically go out and say, let's see, what's the main I don't even know what is the main product. Um, what is the main product? It is high converting email system promo number one. I think it's a winning picks. Oh, it's a lottery system, guys. It's how to pick lottery. It's how to gamble basically. So cool. So you make a little site on gambling, and then you put this as your link. You put your landing page. That's it's this is what it's all about, guys. This is how you do it. You go. That's why you need hosting. I'm gonna put a link to my hosting. If you go get hosting through me, you get a discount. If not, you can go, if you have hosting, go use it or whatever. So that's what you want to do. So you want to go find these products. There's tons, like guys, if you sell that, it's like $589 for a sale, right? So let's say it takes you 3 days to set up the website. Maybe go on YouTube, make a video. It's like, hey, if you want to know the best way to gamble, you got to get the Z code. You send them over to your website. You give them a little bit more, basically social proof, or a little bit more explanation, a little bit more authority. And you say, well, click the link below, and then they will go and they'll look at it. Way better than sending your link to someone. So that's sort of the first step of it. But it really comes down to, guys, getting out of your own way. Like you really need to get out of your own way. Now, if you're like going, Glenn, I don't know how to do any of that, the very first link below is the education system that I promote. I highly recommend everybody promote this system. Become an affiliate and promote this system, because no matter what, you're going to run across so many different types of people. You're gonna run into so many people that want to get started, but they don't know how, and they need the education. And that's why you want to have an affiliate program like the one below. It's an affiliate program. It's not an opportunity. It's about education, but it has a really good affiliate program, so you can make really good money on it. You can make a lot of money on it, and it has some tools that you can actually put in the back end, where if people want to go through and promote it themselves, they actually sign up for recurring commissions on the tools that you use in order to promote it. Very cool, very smart system. But the number one thing is that it's about the education, and you're going to learn how to do it. So I highly recommend click that first link, go through the 15-day challenge, get started as an affiliate there, because you're going to always want to promote that. The next link down below, I'm giving you guys a totally done for you free funnel. This can make $400 or $500 a day, easy, no problem. Just follow all the steps, get it all set up, and you're good to go. And then there's also down below, there's a company I've been involved with this for years now, and it's all about attraction marketing, and it's really learning the inside of how to start talking to people, when you're, and not just talking face to face, but chatting with people, and really learning how to ask questions on how to get what their pain point is, right? And when you start learning that, when you start learning people's pain points, you're able to then go out and create content that attracts people to you, right? So you can attract more and more people to you. Like, for example, what we were talking about, that the winning numbers thing, right? Well, you could go into betting forums, and you could just ask people, like, hey, like, what's the number one, what's the worst thing that happens, or what do you hate most about this industry, right? And then you go onto your pages, like, do you hate X? Do you hate Y? Do you hate Z? Well, the solution for X is the solution for Y is the solution for Z. So make sure that you get my solution. You know what I mean? Because you want to find people's pain points. And that's how it is with everything. If you go back and you become a student of marketing, you're going to start seeing things in a completely different light. And that's why I recommend learning the laws of attraction marketing, because once you learn that, and it's always going on, guys, it's you need to always be upping your ante, learning more. There's always new courses and all this good stuff. So that is how you get started step by step. It really is about going and finding the niche. Now, if you don't know how to build a website, or you don't know how to do a WordPress, I've got to look up here. There's going to be a link to how to start a blog. I walk you through step by step, from buying the hosting, installing WordPress, getting a theme. I give you a link to a theme. So make sure you go check that out. Get started there. And then you want to just start creating content. Get out of your head. You need to get out of your head and you need to start putting stuff down. You need to get that content out there. You can't just watch video after video after video and think you're going to have success, or join program after program after program without taking any action. The whole reason those programs are out there is to teach you how to do stuff. And that being said, there is a really cool trainer, marketer guy. His name is Paul Nichols, and he's launching a new product tomorrow, actually, from when I'm filming this video. And I'll put a link to it below. And I highly recommend you go check out our review for it. My partner Dave and I have a review page for it, and you can check out. We'll throw in some bonuses if you purchase it through us. You want to make sure that you check it out. If the link's not there when you view this, it's probably because Dave hasn't finished setting it up for you yet. So as soon as he's got it set up, I will put the link in the description. So if there's no link, there's no link in the, it's called it's Paul Nichols product. I'll just put it. I'm not sure that it's. I'll put it down, Paul Nichols. And if you don't see it in there, comment like, Glenn, where's Paul Nichols' course? Kind of thing. All right, guys, that's what I have for you tonight. So hopefully this is helpful. Make sure that you comment. Make sure you subscribe. And guys, get started. Check out the links below. Get started. Get, like, especially the education one. That's what you're going to base your business on. It's going to be the root. It's going to be basically the foundation that you're going to build your online marketing business on. From there, you can pretty much do anything you want because it's going to give you the basics on everything. It's going to teach you step by step exactly how to do all of it, and you'll be able to, like, if you want to run YouTube ads, if you want to run Facebook ads, if you want to run Google ads, whatever you want to do, if you want to run Bing ads, it's all in there for you, right? But what's cool is that they first put you through a bit of a challenge just to see if you've got what it takes to become an online marketer, because you don't want to, like, if you don't have what it takes, you don't want to go through a year or two of trying and go, wow, I don't have what it takes, right? Because you need to be resourceful, guys. You can't quit your day job yet. You got to be working, and you got to put time into this on the side. You got to make some sacrifices. Maybe you got to cut the cable bill. You got to cut the Starbucks out for a little while until you get established, because you're going to have to put a little bit of money into your business. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and check out the links below, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.